Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll guide you through how to write a Swiss Schengen visa sponsorship letter. This letter is an important document when sponsoring someone's visa application for travel to Switzerland. You'll be providing your personal details at the top, including your name, address, contact information, and the date of writing. You'll also address the letter to the Swiss embassy or consulate, specifying the embassy's address, city, postal code, and country. The subject line will clearly state that it's a sponsorship letter for the Swiss Schengen visa. In the salutation, you'll respectfully greet the recipient with "Dear Sir, Madam." This sets the formal tone of the letter and provides all the necessary information for the visa application process. After that, write, "I, your name, residing at, your address, am writing to confirm that I will be sponsoring applicant's full name for their trip to Switzerland from start date to end date. I will cover all expenses, including accommodation, travel, and daily costs, ensuring they meet all financial requirements during their stay. Applicant's name will be staying at your residence hotel address during their visit. I have attached the necessary documents, including my bank statements, employment details, and proof of accommodation, to support this sponsorship. Please feel free to contact me for any further information. I kindly request you to grant applicant's name a Schengen visa for their visit. Sincerely, your name." Here's our sample Swiss Schengen visa sponsorship letter. See how it effectively outlines the sponsor's commitment to covering the applicant's travel, accommodation, and daily expenses while they stay in Switzerland. The letter demonstrates the sponsor's financial capability and willingness to assist the applicant during their visit. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and professional sponsorship letter that strengthens the visa application. This letter helps the Swiss embassy understand the sponsor's support and ensures the applicant meets all necessary requirements. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on writing impactful visa sponsorship letters.